This lesson will teach you how to install the Tigo EI inverter as a standalone part of a PV system. This video does not include the Tigo ATS or battery, since those components are part of the Tigo EI residential energy storage solution and are covered in separate videos or lessons in the Tigo Academy. Also, Tigo TS4 MLPE installation is covered in a separate video. Refer to the EI Inverter Quick Start Guide and the online manual during installation. Open the inverter shipping box and remove the Quick Start Guide found on top of the inverter packaging. There is a separate unboxing video linked in the video description. Next, gather all the tools. There are no special tools required for the inverter installation. Now it is time to select a mounting location. Install the inverter on a mounting surface at a 90-degree angle, perpendicular to the ground. Additionally, keep it out of the direct line of sprinkler spray. South-facing walls are typically not a good mounting location since they see the sun through most of the day, and could cause the inverter to prematurely heat up. To begin, remove the lower cover of the inverter using a 5mm hex, and carefully drill out the knockouts relevant for your installation. Now let's mount the inverter. Ensure 12 inches of clearance around the inverter for proper ventilation. First, secure the inverter mounting bracket to the wall, using the wall anchors shipped with the unit. Next, hang the inverter on the wall and mark the lower mounting bracket holes. Remove the inverter from the bracket. Drill out the lower bracket holes and insert the wall anchors. Replace the inverter onto the mounting bracket and secure using appropriate hardware. Once the inverter is mounted, run the conduit to the appropriate knockouts on the bottom of the inverter. Refer to this wire size chart if needed. Now it is time to prepare the AC conductors for connection. First, connect the inverter to the main service entrance using the terminal labeled grid. At the inverter ends, strip off 3/4 inch of insulation from the L1, L2, neutral, and equipment grounding conductors. Insert each conductor into the associated spring terminal on the right side of the inverter wiring area. The other end of these conductors will terminate in an appropriately sized breaker depending on the EI inverter model. Prepare positive and negative home runs to the inverter. Strip off 5/8 inch of insulation from each home run end, then insert each positive and negative conductor from each string into its own MPPT terminal on the left side of the EI inverter wiring area. Connect the PV array equipment grounding conductor to the grounding bar. Watch this 1-minute video for rapid shutdown button installation. Skip this step if you are not installing TS4 MLPE. And that's it. Next is the lesson on inverter commissioning. See you there.